Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to lock your PayPal card. So it's going to be a quick video, and I've got three methods for you guys. The first, of course, is to lock your card through the PayPal mobile app. So you can first of all go ahead and open the PayPal mobile app on your mobile device. Then you got to tap on cards or wallets, and then you got to select the card you want to lock, and tap on the three dots or the more menu, and then tap on lock card or freeze card. Then you got to confirm that you want to lock that particular card. That's the first method. Now the second method is to lock your card through PayPal website. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your PayPal account on the website. Then you got to click on the wallet or cards tab. Then you got to select the card you want to lock. Then click on the three dots or the more menu. Then you got to click on lock card or freeze card. Then you confirm that you want to lock that card. And the third method is to lock card through PayPal customer support. And all you got to do is to call PayPal customer support at the number right there, and they're going to help you run through the entire process to lock your card. So those are the three methods I got for you, and a couple of tips for you guys. The first is if you lose your card or suspect suspicious activities, lock your card right away. All right, you want to immediately lock your card. That's gonna help you prevent you from losing your money. Now the second, of course, is to reach out to PayPal support if you have any issues locking or unlocking your card. And last tip is regularly check your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions. So you might not know someone is using your card, probably they've gotten access to your password and stuff, but if you keep regular checks on your account, you're gonna notice when anything is going wrong. So those are the three tips I got for you guys. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.